Hey guys, Adam at Time Warp Custom Paint here, and in this episode I'm going to take you step by step on how to take this raw motorcycle tank and give it a professional metal flaked finish like this. Let's jump right into it. Alright, I cleaned up the tank with some glass cleaner one more time, and now we're ready to move forward to mixing some primer. I do want to let you know that you can purchase the paint and materials on the Amazon link listed in the description of this video. According to the label, this particular primer is mixed at a 4:1 ratio. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to lock on the spray gun here and get ready to spray some primer. Okay, so we let that primer sit for about 12 hours or so. We're going to wet sand with 600 grit on a hard block to smooth out the small imperfections of the primer. The guide coat we misted on earlier makes it easy to see the low spots, so we just sand them out. Once you feel like you've blocked out all your problem areas, finishing up with a DA sander makes things really easy. Next off, we're going to mix up some black base coat. Most base coats need to be thinned out, anywhere between 20 to 50% with a urethane reducer, just like we did here. Other than that, you just mix it up, lock on your gun, and you're ready to spray. There are a couple of different ways to apply metal flake. One way is you can blow it on to wet clear coat, or you can mix it in with the clear coat like we're going to do here. This clear coat, along with all the other materials, can easily be found on the Amazon link that's located in the description. Depending on the size of the metal flake, it's important to have a spray gun that's big enough to be able to spray the flakes you're mixing. The paint gun used here has a 1.8 spray tip. Okay, now that we have the metal flake applied to the consistency we like, we're going to smooth the finish out by mixing up a final clear coat, which again is mixed at a 4:1 ratio with a 1.3 size spray tip. When spraying, it's important to be mindful of your recoat window. Waiting too long between coats can cause peeling, cracking, or other adhesion problems. So that's it. That's all it takes. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. If you like this video, consider hitting the like button. And be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with upcoming custom paint tutorials. Like in episode 2, where I'll show you how I lay out my tape and airbrush in panel designs. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope you got some value out of this video. Hit that subscribe button and we'll be seeing you on the next one.